Power outages are an everyday reality in Nigeria. And for a big bank or a large shopping center, backup generators are non-negotiable. State governments, meanwhile, are getting creative in tackling the problem. Lagos Waste Management Authority has started generating energy from a commodity the city certainly has in heaps: garbage. Lagos generates around 9,000 metric tons of waste each day.
The key area we're looking at is we contribute a lot of methane into the ozone layer, which is it's a greenhouse gas. And this methane, if not properly utilized, will become a problem for the city. So the recycling that methane, turning that methane into a very, very good resource is all about the renewable energy program. You continue to generate waste and we continue to balance it out into a very useful purpose. Energy has a very high demand, and the methane we have on our landfill site can actually be utilized for this electricity. And we've gone a long way in this. We've gone a long way in harvesting the methane on the landfill site, quantifying and looking at the quality, and bringing out the generators that will actually utilize this product.
Just how much power is going to be generated from this project?
We're looking at a stream of 1 megawatt, that's a 1,000 kilowatt stream. And you can scale up depending on the quantity and the quality of the methane you have on site. So the quantity will determine to what level you can scale this stream. So we're going to have a stream of 1 megawatt each. And you can scale up to 20, 30, 40, depending on the quality of gas and the quantity of gas we continue to generate from the kind of waste we dispose of on a daily basis.
Across the city, there are massive landfills like this, where gas wells collect methane, methanol, ethanol, or synthetic fuels that are generated 24/7, then extracted and used to produce electricity or an alternative fuel for local industrial and commercial customers.
Now, Lagos Waste Management Authority has launched a couple of renewable energy projects this year. Can you tell us a little bit more about them?
We've started with harvesting this methane, drilling our wells, the vertical wells, to really extract this methane. So we're almost through with analysis on the quality and quantity. So the result of the quality of our gas will determine the kind of generating sets that will actually be imported, and the kind of scrubbing we need to do if you need to clean up the gas, to what level we can clean. If the gas is less than 50%, you may need to have scrubbers to clean. But on a landfill site, the recent analysis shows that we have close to about 60% methane, which is very good. About 65%, 70%, which is very, very encouraging. That means we are not going to do more scrubbing. But some of them are lazy. We need to drag them out using gentle blowers to really blow them out and pipe them into, store them properly and pipe them into these generating sets that will really bring out the energy. So we develop all these things in streams.
Now, you said your aim was to create the largest landfill site in Africa, managing about 20,000 tons of waste. Now, how much power does this project have the potential to generate?
Looking at the increasing population growth in Lagos, and that's projecting 20,000 tons in a few years' time. The annual population growth, looking at about 5–6%. But we look at the market competitiveness when it comes to consumer market competitiveness, Lagos and the West African countries. The rate of consumption in Lagos, disposable income is increasing. So we will see Lagos as a hub, the economic nav center for West Africa. So potentially we are projecting an annual over 10% growth in waste generation.
Lagos is not the only state generating its electricity. Rivers, for example, is independently generating 540 megawatts of power per year. And more are likely to follow suit after government gave states the go-ahead to work with independent energy distribution companies this month. Alternative energy sources like waste-generated electricity may not solve all of Nigeria's power problems, but it will help to keep the lights on for a bit longer.